Feintool's prototyping process is basically a way for our customers to get early on involvement, get the perfect part design, and eliminate a lot of steps usually used in traditional ways if we only get a print and build a production tool.
When we talk about the prototype, we have production-ready components. And since they mimic exactly what will come out of one of our production dies, we also can make adjustments before we make a production die.
The stages of our prototyping processes usually start with an initial sketch or an idea from an engineer at our customer. We run it through a simulation software. We can see the flow of the material, we can see the load on the punches, and we can validate already, is that even possible? And at that time we have the possibility to even prototype 2, 3, 4 different variants, different material thicknesses, different material grades, and through that process now many times we go back and forth several times. We change the prototype tooling, customer tests again. We then usually are ready to be released for a production tool.
If they're looking for a part that is right to print, they can manufacture it quite easily. If they actually want to see a functional part, if it's able to be made, then the only way to really try and do that is with actual prototyping.
So we had a major seating customer who came with a brand new idea, and through the working process of improving the design together, we have now a part that the customer has tested. This was a big success for our customer without spending any production tooling. Feintool's prototype capability is unique because we have everything under one roof basically. We have the design department here that has software to simulate certain processes, the forming processes, the blanking processes. We have then engineers here who can design the tool. We have the tool room right here, they're working closely together. And then we have all the production equipment here. We have the full range of fine blanking presses here that range from 160 to 1100 tons. So we can prototype any parts that we see in our spectrum here basically.
As a company, we have a lot of experience in prototype, and therefore we have over the years developed a reputation of high quality prototype parts that truly mimic a production environment.
We have the engineering source, we have the manufacturing source. I see it as if they can dream it, we can do it.
I see a great future for prototyping and a great savings potential for our customers if they involve the supplier early on the development.